So I'm at Torrey Pines State Park in San Diego County, California, near the ocean, and I ran into this really cool plant called chamise, or greasewood. And this plant is in the Rosaceae family, the rose family, and it typically has 5 petals. That's typical of the rose family. So if we look closer at these leaves, this plant's called Adenostoma fasciculatum. So fasciculate means bunched leaves. As you can see, they're in bunches. And these leaves are also termed sclerophilous, meaning they're leathery and they hold in that moisture. So these leathery, tough leaves that hold in moisture really well. Sclerophilous. So another really interesting thing about this plant is Native Americans use this because it has incredible oil. It's called greasewood, to start fires, so as like a kindling. And it's also used to treat sores and skin infections. And I actually have this really neat chapstick that I got that's made out of chamise oil, and it's incredible. It works so good. So it's really, really cool plant. We map this plant as, chamise chaparral. A lot of times you get into communities and it's one of the dominant plants. And the vegetation's interesting because, when it's blooming, it's just all white, and you'll be in this spectacular area with all these white flowers. And then in the fall, it turns, red. So then you'll be in this area where it's all dried out and red. So the whole community really changes when you're vegetation mapping. Okay, so we got the sclerophilous leaves on Adenostoma fasciculatum, greasewood, chamise.